Here's Davinci Resolve, and the question is, here on the color tab, how to move that rectangle. That rectangle was created using this polygon. Is this one, polygon. So how to move that one to a different location? If I move my cursor above it, it is showing a circle. That means it will add another circle. Let's just undo it, Ctrl Z. But how can I move it to a different location? Well, one option is to zoom in using the scroll wheel of the mouse. You can push down the scroll wheel of the mouse and you can reposition it, by the way. And then notice that double arrow appears. And when the double arrow is shown, because it's not always shown, for example here it's not shown, and in many other cases it's not shown, but when that double arrow is shown, that cross-shaped, then you can move that rectangle and you can reposition it. Now let's say that double arrow does not show up 99 or 100% of the time. How to move in that case? As it's here in the center, you cannot grab it. Let's go here, and if I move it, which numbers are changing on the screen? These ones, the pan and the tilt. So as I move this, notice those two are changing. Here on the window called window, if you go to these, then you don't see the window. So this is the window where you added the polygon. So there you can use pan and tilt. Simply grab that number and move it to the left or to the right. This one is moving to the left and right horizontally, and the other one is moving the rectangle up and down vertically. Another way to move that rectangle, that window, is by zooming out using the scroll wheel of the mouse. And of course I cannot move it from here to show you that this line also moves with it. So by dragging the black point, there's black and that's white. By dragging the black point, you can also reposition that rectangle. The top one is for rotation. So those are the alternatives of repositioning a window. In this case, it was a polygon for the purpose of, let's say, blurring and censoring something. Now that text was censored. If I use pan and move it away, then the text is not censored anymore.